ADHD Wired Gaming. Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Complete Saga. In the last episode, I think we did episodes 1 and 2, or should I say missions 1 and 2 of episode 3. Now do forgive the camera wiggle. I am just trying to get it level, but yeah, we're going to continue on. I think I said off screen I was going to get money, and I don't think I did. Let's see, 67. Maybe I did. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't remember. It's been a little bit of time, but yeah, there were some characters we weren't able to buy because we didn't have enough moolah. So let's see if we can afford Count Dooku. He's 100 grand. He's quite the expensive character, you know. It's Count Dooku after all. Main protagonist of episode 2. Other than that, I don't think that he's the only character I couldn't afford. So, yeah, no problem. Let's see. So, yep, we're in mission chapter 3 of episode 3. General Grievous. Let's rate the volume. I'm not going to rate the volume too loud, only because this game's already pretty dang loud already. I think last time when I played this, it was actually too loud, and you couldn't hear me as well as you were supposed to be able to hear me, but you still could. Revenge of the Sith, Chapter 3, General Grievous. Or General Grievous. Obi-Wan Kenobi and Anakin Skywalker have saved Chancellor Palpatine, but his captor, General Grievous, has escaped. The Jedi Council assigns Obi-Wan Kenobi the task of hunting down Grievous, who is hiding in the sinkhole world of Utapau. Utapau? Execute Order 66. Roger. Stupid. He bonked himself in the head. Over here, stupid! Let's get him! What the? Whoa! I wasn't ready for this! Ah! Get away! I'll take the mini kit. Give me the powers! I'd knock you down, a pig! Whoa! Get him! Get him while you have the invincibility! Come on, Grievous! Is that all you got? I built us a bridge! I'm so good at building. You wish you were good at me. You're jealous, aren't you? You're a jealous booger boo. Only 1,100 coins? And I'm a third of the way to being a Jedi Knight? Whoa! Switch. Woo! What'd you build, Obi-Wan? Hello now! Yay! Wah! Let's go, Blaster Boy. Hi, Grievous. Shut up. I blast you. Now you can wait there, and I'm gonna take a doodle. What's over here? Wow! Ooh, money! Money! That obviously requires a bomb. Do you throw bombs? You do not, you useless son of a bitch. How could you be so useless? Wah! Well, this would be a level to get 10 mini kits easily. Only 3,000 coins for true Jedi. Hey, I'll take it. I ain't complaining. I'm just pointing out that's not a lot of money. Wah! I want to get up there. Why can't you jump better? This is your fault, Obi-Wan. Whee! Yep, that needs a bomb. Obi-Wan, where'd you go? Obi-Wan? Obi-Wan! Oh, there you are. So what's this for? What's this really for nothing? Well then. To the bridge! Come on, Grievous! Don't you know I know how to fight you already? And you can't use the force, so... Get ice cold! You wish you were good at me, don't you? General Greasy. My protein coffee. And for dinner, a nice salad. I might have put too much salad dressing. Whoops. Hey, look at that! Woo! Look at that! Hey, where you going, dude? Get the money! The money's important! Whoa! Okay, I still can't get any... Whoopsie! I fell! Whee! Hop! Come here, Greasy! Your body is full of grease! Blast! Oh, snap! Wow! Wah! Hey, it's his head! Come on now. We did it! Cody was pretty much useless. Awesome! Woo! I will destroy. Chapter 4. Defense of Kashyyk. Obi-Wan Kenobi had taken care of General Grievous, but the Clone Wars continued across the galaxy. Jedi Knights lead the army of the Republic into the battle against the Separatist forces. Jedi Master Yoda fights on the Wookiee planet of Kashyyk, but the Sith Lord Dark Sidious is about to reveal himself and draw a new darkness over the galaxy. Who is the Dark Sidious? Oh, you know, it's only Palpatine. Do it. You blew it. What'd you do with your nose when you had a cold, General Dark Sidious? Blew it. That's the annoying thing about this Yoda. He doesn't need a cane. He can walk just fine. But apparently not. He's crippled. The thing I liked about Yoda if you play, if I remember correctly, it was Lego Star Wars 2. Yoda, whenever you unlock him, he flies around like in that little hover chair of his. That was the best part about being Yoda. You could be Yoda and you go like, wee, look at me fly, wee. But in this one, it's like, I'm so old these days. Look, I'm walking so freaking slow. Chewbacca's like, let me tiptoe, on the tulip fields we go. I don't know. I don't know the lyrics of the song, but everybody knows the song I'm referring to. Tiptoe Through the Tulips, I think it's called. If you want an exact name. But that guy was creepy as fuck anyway. I think he died of cancer if I remember correctly. It's a bad way to go, but there's no denying. The dude was freaking creepy looking. He looked like a real life Jeff the Killer. If his eyebrows were burned off and he had no lips. He looked like a legitimate Jeff the Killer. It's mean as that sounds. That's actually what that guy who sings Tiptoe Through the Tulips looks like. Boing, boing, wah! Oh, careful, boy. Don't you jump off that ledge. You're thousands of feet in the air on a tree. Boing. Uh-oh. Execute Order 66. Aye, aye, Captain! Blast him! Ah! Scary! Yoda! Wah! 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 Woo! Plonk! Woohoo! Plonk! 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 Come on, you're better than that! Wah! Wee! Woohoo! I slice you! Stupid stormtroopers! Those were early onset dementia stormtroopers. Early onset dementia is actually kind of fucked up anyway. Not like to have. I mean, let me rephrase that. It's fucked up to have to go through that because I mean, if I remember correctly, dementia is just basically forgetting everything, and I mean to have it to a point where you start forgetting the people you love and everything. I mean, it's really, it's heavy on. It's not just hard for you because you don't understand, and at the same time, you don't know why. Like, it's not just a matter of you not knowing why, but it's the fact that you don't remember why. Like, why is your family, like, so upset? Why are they struggling and everything? And you can't remember for the life of you why. And the reason is you, basically. It's hard. But enough of the depressing stuff. Let's get back into the happy-go-lucky game of Lego Star Wars. We're going to save the Wookiee General. Come on, Chewy! Blast him! Boink. Come here, boy. Wah! Boink, boink. Whee! I boing, boing. Boing. Wah! Boink. Pretty much the only way and the best way to move around with this form of Yoda is just attacking constantly. But I need that money. Give me the moolah. Chewy! I can't roll my tongue to save my life. Yay! Come on. Whee! Woohoo! Boing. Oh, money. Nothing better than money. I'll agree to that. Give me the money. Give me the money. Money, 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 money. Money, money. Money, 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 money. Money, 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 money. I can't wait till I get the power brick that allowed me to have the magnetic thing where I get naturally, the stud naturally attract to me because of the magnetism, basically. I need all 5 to go this way, that's fine. Boing, 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 boing. Wee! Fun this is! I don't know why, but old Yoda reminds me of Scooby-Doo. Ah. Wee! Ah! I ripped your arms off. It's funny how I made that little popping noise. Here we go. We got one more to do, Chewy. Come on. Where he be though? Where the ant do? Ah, up there. Boing. Look at all that money. Look at all those chickens. Money, 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 money. Money, money, money. Nice hat. My lady. Rip your arms off. Whee! Wah! Let's go, Chewy. Boing. Go! Follow the Wookiee commander or whatever he is. I don't know the rank, but I know the guy's like an officer of some kind. Whew. Okay. If I sound tired, do forgive me. I spent 7 hours replacing my sink head because, you know, sink heads and plumbing be a bit that need to be done eventually. Even if it's once every 10 years, it's still a nightmare to deal with once every 10 years. So, that's what I had to do. Yep. Wow! That's a lot of dudes. What are we gonna do, Chewy? That's right, Chewy. We're gonna go fuck them up. Whoa. Oh! Chewy, pilot it! Whoopsie! Pop up! Pop up! I built it! Blah blah. Blah blah. Blah blah. Ah! Woohoo! Mini blaster! Woohoo! the money. Get out of here, damn! Jesus Christ! Get the money! The money's more important! That's right, that's how you're done, Chewy. Come on now. Oh, I'm gonna build a second one, that's why. Alright, put it on, put the other piece on, there we go. Now we got two of them. Alright, what's next? Okay, I think I can get that mini kit that's all the way over here. This map is big, by the way. Yeah, here we go. Woohoo! Got it! Come on, pull the grass out! Get that money! There we go. There we are. Gotta get that money. Come on. Gee, there's no end to them. Get my money back, Chewy! Yoda, give me, come here! Gee Louise, Yoda. Sometimes I wonder if the money's actually worth it. Of course it is. What am I talking about? Alright. Any other leads? Yep. Carrot! If I pull 3 of those out, I get a mini kit. Blep, 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 blep. Not so slow now, are you, Yoda? Whee! Oh, shit. Boink. I mean, that I got some of it, better than none of it. Yep, the money. Very nice. Come on, that all you got? Give me the leaves. I need the carrot. I need the carrot. Give me the carrot. There it was. You son of a bitch. Ah! Damn! Got my money back. Pull up the carrot. Come on. Thank you. That too. Alrighty. One more carrot. Oh, I killed myself. Dang it. Damn! That was the one I needed, not the other one. Yoda, get your bitch ass over here, you stupid old grump. Really? Bruh. There we go, I got my money back at least. Yoda, I gotta say, you're pretty pathetic. At least in this state. There's no doubt about that. Alright, there we go. Money, carrot, yes. Aw, no carrot, but definite money. Carrot? Bloop. Nope, damn it. Of course, the last one would be the carrot. Bloop. Yay! Mini kit. All right. Shut up, Chewy. Alrighty. Let's do this, shall we? Woohoo! Yoda, you hold them off. I'm going up. Yoda, get over here, you senile old coot. While I'm invincible, and while I have the magnetism, I should get all these leaves. Okay, I'm not invincible anymore. There we are. Chewy, blast him! Come on, dude! I know you're not that pathetic, Chewy. Come on. Oh my God! Chewbacca! What the fuck, dude? I can't do this if my NPCs are gonna keep letting me get blasted! There's gotta be a reason why these things keep coming in. What the fuck is going on? Oh, that motherfucker! Fucking radio boy! Call him in now, bitch! How dare you! Ow! Ain't so tough now, are you, you little shits? There's another commander guy calling him in somewhere. There he is, the little fucker. I see you, you little bitch. Come here. Let Commander Yoda show you what to do. Ow. Ah! Chewy, you can deal with them down there, right? You useless sack of crap. Why give me another character to play with? A CPU character to play with. I'm literally doing all this shit on my own, literally. I mean, there's no other way to describe it. I'm literally doing everything on my own. You useless, stupid Wookiee! Stupid Wookiee! So useless. Pull that carrot out. Okay. What's that gonna make? A bridge? Oh, it made a raft. Wow. So fucking pointless. Let me pull this ship out. Slowly but surely. This is more impressive than when I pulled the X-Wing out of the swamp. Ah, damn it! I didn't think it would just resync. You stupid shit. Well, now I know there's got to be a sense of urgency. I thought I got to just leave it out of the freaking swamp, but no. Oh, come on, dude! You know I got up there in time. Now I gotta wait for it to think again. This is dumb. This is stupid. Hey, take that, bitch. What are you gonna do? You gonna tell me I can't have it? Fuck you. Tell me I can't have shit. Use the Force, Yoda! Alright. Boink, boink, boink. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Money, money, money. Yay! Money, 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 money. I will be true Jedi. True Jedi I will be. Show me the Force I am. Get the money, Chewy. Master Yoda is too old to move. He is. Alright, so any other money source or is that it? I think that's it. So where do I go now? Oh, duh. Duh! Is that the escape pod? Oh. Come on, call for backup. Oh wait, you're dead, you can't. Losers. Oh look, I see you over there. Mister, I'm gonna stay here and wait for his stupid ass, get him on the surprise, but little do I know, I'm actually the one in for the surprise. Yoda, pull out your damn lightsaber and do your little hoppity hip. Thank you. Alright, that's done. Oh, look. Uh-oh. Ah, dear. Hey, true Jedi, you damn right I am. I'm not just a true Jedi, I'm a master Jedi. And a little senile I am. Into exile I must go. Veiled I have. Yes, you did. That's all you got? Well, ain't that pathetic? Alright, get that one. I want that one! I want that one! You want this one? You want this one? No, I want that one! It gave me the stinker! This one? No, this one right here! Yeah, I want that one! We gonna give her a big heart, cause we believe a big heart make a sassy child. Howdy, Bobo! Howdy, Bobo! What? What are you gonna tell them judges about your big heart? I'm gonna tell my heart sweeter than bacon, child! Oh, God, so stupid. Alright. Hey, power up! Yay! Now I have magnets for the coins and stuff. So let's pull these out. What was that thud downstairs I just heard? I don't know. I ain't gonna worry about it. Yep, I need Jar Jar Binks or a super jumper like Grievous for this. Get out of there! Oh, he's stepping on me! Ah! You stupid son of a... How dare you! Oh, God. Yeah. Okay. Alright, I'm coming. Alright, I will be right back, everybody. Let me pop that. Alright, we're back. Sorry about that. Had to make sure my car still ran because I left the trunk open apparently, and the trunk light could have killed the battery. Thankfully not. And then we just received actually kind of disheartening news. My neighbor, older couple, very nice. The husband suffered a heart attack yesterday or today, and yeah, so we were talking, and basically, if I can do anything, I'm actually probably going to be whipping them up tomorrow, a huge batch of my pasta fazool that my mom taught me how to make from her mom, and so forth. It's like generational recipe from my family side, from my mom's side of the family, but yeah. Yeah, so that was a little bit of a unexpected news drop, but you know, such is the circle of life and genetics. You could be in phenomenal shape, but your genetics says, you know what? No matter how much cardio you do, you could still be doomed and destined to suffer a heart attack. And I mean, I don't try to sound negative when I say that, but my dad makes a valid point when he says sometimes you just can't beat your genetic, no matter how much no matter what you do to try to avoid, negative setbacks in your health, like by doing all this preparation and stuff. Sometimes it's unavoidable. Sometimes it's just genetics. It's going to be genetics. And it's just going to say, you know what? We're going to hit you with a heart attack. And it sucks to look at it that way, but genetic can suck sometimes. Yoda got hit with a rock. Oh, so this is... Yoda! Yoda! Help me! Help me! Did my dad just call me? Yoda? Oh. Really? Just take your time, Yoda. Jeez. Hey, money's money. I'm gonna get all that moolah if I can. Boink. Boink. I like the gold coins. I like the blue studs. I don't like the silver one because they're annoying and low in value. Oh, help me! Help me! Oh! Wah! Wah! Whoa! That hurt! Right on my head! Wah! Woo! Hey. Ba 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 ba. Wah! Awesome! Whoa! You take the hit, Yoda! Sucker! Whee! What the hell? Whoa, 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 whoa! Ow! Ah! Sucker! Oh look, it's another stupid stormtrooper guy. Wah! Woo! Wee! Woohoo! Ow! Ow! You son of a fuck! Wah! Get out of that thing! Stop stepping on me, you rat! Stop stepping on me! Oh my god! What the dick? Stupid android! Come here, you! God, you stupid stormtrooping fuck! Rat bastard! Eat a bag of chiganagas! Chiganagas? I don't know what that is, but... Really? Bitch! Fucker! God damn! Now I gotta replace all that money that you frickin' blasted out of me. You stupid fuckers! Really? I'm trying to have a heartfelt goodbye, but you fuckers just keep getting in the way! One more? There we are. Could you blast him any slower, Chewy? Bitch. Get fucked. Wah! There's my ship. Yay! I'm out of this shithole. Damn, dude. Can you guys like fuck off? Adios! Bye! Why didn't it give me Yoda? Unless I already bought Yoda? I don't know. Awesome. Alright, let's go to the most athlete cantina. Because we did 2 chapters. This second mission took a lot longer than I expected. Like, holy crap, dude. I was not expecting it to take that long, but jeez. Alright, let's go to the main lobby, see what characters we can buy. Okay. Whoops. Alright, no ship to buy. But there's a lot of characters. So we're gonna get Dooku, Jetso, Grievous, Wookiee, Clone, okay. Okay. So Grievous is what? 70,000? So another 100,000 basically. And I can get those 2. Maybe I'll get those off screen. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, Gendo guy got me up to 25% done with this game. I'm actually really closer to done because I'm already basically almost done with episode 3. Then I'll be actually halfway done with the game. It's just talking about in terms of collectibles and all that stuff. But yeah, we're going to leave this one here. I do hope everybody enjoyed. Please leave your thoughts and criticisms in the comment section below. Share with your family, friends. Turn that notification bell on so you're notified for the next one. If you enjoy my content, please subscribe. I am trying to reach 500 subscribers for my birthday on January 2nd, 2025. If you want to help spread the channel, leave a like and let the algorithm know my videos are worth checking out. You can find everything linked down below. Playlists, social media, and might I recommend highly joining our Discord so you can leave your fan art, suggest video games, and catch up with the community or whatever. With all that being said, last but not least, don't forget to stay wired. See you in the next one, everybody. Bye!